Continuing with our theme, could we survive without technology? Let's take a look at our next topic. So far, we've looked at how technology affects our society, and now we're going to take a look at how it affects our environment. Some positive impacts on the environment include renewable energy sources, so solar power, wind. It's all starting to become larger and larger and starting to actually overtake the use of fossil fuels. Another one would be reduced energy consumption. So now we understand where our energy is going. We can find ways to reduce how much we're using, also making better technology that uses less in general. Okay? Adding better insulation and window technology. Okay? I talked about reduced fossil fuel consumption. So we're moving to hybrid vehicles such as the Prius, even electrical vehicles, and use of other renewable energies. So fuel cell vehicles would be another one. Some of the negative impacts on the environment include rare resource consumption. So we're using up a lot of resources that are not found in abundance on Earth for specific technological purposes. Okay? For example, the use of platinum in fuel cell vehicles. We don't have a large enough amount of platinum on Earth to be able to replace the current vehicle fleet that we have across the planet. Some others, gold, silver, and even palladium. We are producing pollution. So burning fossil fuels, air pollutants, the usage of toxic chemicals. Okay, so we're now experiencing a lot of climate change, and that's mainly due to burning fossil fuels. The fact that our devices are always on, so desktop computers, phones, etc. Waste disposal, there's always e-waste, so you may have noticed that you've had to pay for an extra tax when you buy any technological devices. Where do the old devices go? Where do those old monitors go? So we're filling up landfills and we may be causing toxic chemical leaks. Take a minute and brainstorm ways technology impacts our environment. Try to think of specific examples you have seen. Go back to the discussion page on the Resli and add to the current discussion on this topic. You may look at things such as manufacturing or resource consumption and pollution production, waste management such as landfills filling and seeping chemicals, renewable energy strategies such as solar, wind, biofuel, and more. Take the time now to go back to Resli.